So we reached the start point after a lot of talking and persuasion with the estate manager. So before you can start the trail, it kind of starts inside somebody's private estate. You need to go talk to the manager and get permission and things like that. And Elroy over here was the man with the silver tongue. And my glasses fell when we were riding to this place, so time to get new glasses.
2.5 hours journey, 2.5 hours.
Yeah. What do you say, Shreyas?
Finally, let's start.
Let's start. We have to get
Yeah,
to
right.
the
Let's go. So this is the start of the trail. There's no marker, nothing, but if you get to this house, you need to take a little bit of a back turn and head that way.
A few moments later.
Stuck amidst
One second again. Don't. Oh man, my mat is fully ripped. Nice.
already.
It's okay, yeah. If we adjust.
Yeah, so decided to take a shortcut. Not really good.
Fuck, leech.
And leech.
Leech? I mean, no, that's just a slime.
Matter what, it's too dry for leeches. But yeah, decided to take a shortcut. Sometimes not a good idea through thick jungle.
And there you can see one part of the Western Ghats. No idea what part it is.
Say hola.
Look at these buggers. They've gotten onto me through my shoes and into my... looking for a place to suck on my blood. Matter what, it's too dry for leeches. This little bastard is sucking through my socks.
These leaves gone nicely. Very nicely.
Oh, he's inside also.
No, that went just through the sock, I think.
Damn, the sock is useless, bro.
Matter what, it's too dry for leeches.
So the trail is pretty much a jeep trail along the way, and most of the view is covered because of the clouds
And snakes.
and leeches. But where's the fun if it was just an easy jeep trail? வாடா மப்பிளே எண்ணிக்கிறன் மக்களே தொடிவால் வாலிபால் ஆடலாமா.
Crazy 360 view. Ghats on my left and on my right.
Okay, can't see much because of the clouds. So we got lost, it was getting dark, and we came back on the trail, and then right into the middle of jungle there's a very tiny trail that you need to catch. No markers, nothing, you just need to know it's there or it's on your maps. And I need to catch up because it's getting late. See you guys at the top. What did you say, Shreyas?
There could be a leech on his bum.
Matter what, it's too dry for leeches.
So yeah, now
The real. At this time.
not cool to be trekking through the dark through leech infested territory.
Fuck leeches. I'm scared of more wild
Yeah, I'm
animals.
worried about other snakes over here.
I don't care if a leech goes on my dick.
Matter what, it's too dry for leeches.
So we have Bear Grylls over here teaching us how to cook chicken biryani in the wild. Bear Grylls,
Really hard work.
what they never tell you in the episodes is it's really hard work.
But it's fun.
Survival in the wild.
Inside studio like
Okay, boys.
Okay, yeah. Okay,
We should play a song called
waiting for it.
Ride the Lightning.
Ride the right lane, bro.
Lightly is gonna ride us. Cheers, bro.
Yeah, so last night was an experience of itself. Finally, we had to camp a little bit away from the peak because it was beginning to rain. There was a lot of lightning and thunder, heavy wind, and we couldn't see where the peak was, and there was obviously going to be too much wind near the peak. And we wake up this morning and that's the view.
That's the sunrise.
So the important question you want to ask is this really worth the struggle? All this, like the rain, the trekking in the night, getting lost, leeches everywhere, I got bit on my eyes, I got bit here, God knows where. Is it worth it? Is the view worth it? That's what we're coming here for.